Hello friends and welcome to our cozy home. I'm Gina, and today's video I'm going to share with you with a recipe that I always took to kitchens, covered dishes whenever I needed a dessert. This is one of my go-to desserts. I haven't made it for a long time, so I had to call my sister to make sure I had my recipe right. Peggy, thank you. Okay, it's very simple, very easy, and you need a 8-ounce cream cheese. Always get mine in the whip because I don't want no lumps. And this is easier to blend together. And then you want an 8-ounce Cool Whip. Now you can make this a little better for you by adding sugar free, but with this it's not a real bad dessert, so I'm just doing it with the regular ingredients. And then you need a cup of powdered sugar. And then you blend this together with your electric mixer. Well, I have to finish this video with a voiceover because my battery in my microphone went dead. So I'm right here, I'm blending the ingredients together. I don't think I've told you the name of the recipe. It is a strawberry delight, and it is a very easy, quick, light, great for Easter or springtime recipe. I got this recipe a long time ago when I was in high school, actually, because I worked at a deli in a grocery store when I was in 11th grade. And the ladies here would always make the desserts fresh. And this is one of them that they would make. And we absolutely love seeing this at the deli. But it is Strawberry Delight. And after you mix all the ingredients together, you just chunk up your angel food cake into bite-sized pieces. And I've always used a store-bought angel food cake. And you could make a homemade one, but store-bought are good and it's a lot easier. And right here, I'm just asking if what everybody calls when they get together, like for a church group. We always called it a covered dish in Ohio, and when we moved to Indiana, everybody called it a pitch hen. So let me know in the comments what you guys call it. And once you get the cake all mixed in, just pour it in a 9 by 13 dish and smooth it all out. Brian's helping me keep the pan clean. And for your strawberries, I just clean them and slice them. And then I add 2 containers of the glaze. The recipe calls for only 1 container, but I like it better when I add 2. And you just mix them together and then you top the angel food cake. This is a really light dessert. It's not a heavy dessert at all. And this is one I used to make a lot for Easter when the girls were little. I finished topping it with strawberries and put it in the refrigerator for an hour or so, and me and Brian had a piece after supper, and it was really delicious. And that's about it. So, thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you soon.